Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me so as to bring you far more useful and far more informative videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So the chapter which we have taken is control and coordination, and this is our 7th video of this chapter. So please watch the video till end. The first question which we have taken is in a synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from, first option is axon to cell body of the same neuron. Second is cell body to axon end of the same neuron. C is dendrite end of one neuron to axon end of adjacent neuron. And D is axon end of one neuron to dendrite end of adjacent neuron. So my dear students, here the correct option is D. So that is, in a synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from axon end of one neuron to dendrite end of adjacent neuron. Please remember this. Question number 2. The contraction of the pupil of the eye in presence of bright light is an example of, first is voluntary reflex, second option is spinal reflex, C is cerebral reflex, and D is adrenal reflex. So my dear students, always remember that contraction of pupil of the eye in presence of bright light is an example of cerebral reflex. So C is the correct option. Question number 3. The faulty functioning of an endocrine gland can make a person very short or very tall. The gland is, first option is thyroid, B is pineal, C is adrenal, and D is pituitary. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that is pituitary gland. So my dear students, always remember that pituitary gland releases growth hormone, and a person, if this pituitary gland is not working properly, then what happens that it can make a person very short or very tall. So please remember this. Our next question is, my dear students, question number 4. One of the following gives correct sequence of the components in a reflex arc. First option is receptors, muscle to sensory neuron, to motor neuron, to spinal cord. B option is receptors, to motor neuron, to spinal cord, to sensory neuron, to muscle. C is receptors, to spinal cord, to sensory neuron, to motor neuron, to muscle. D is receptors, to sensory neuron, to spinal cord, to motor neuron, to muscle. So my dear students, here the correct sequence of components in a reflex arc is D, that is receptors, to sensory neuron, to spinal cord, to motor neuron, to muscle. Please remember this. So this is very important. Question number 5. The underactive endocrine gland which causes goiter is, first option is pancreas, second is thyroid, C is adrenal, and D is pituitary. So my dear students, here the correct option is thyroid. So my dear students, always remember that underactive endocrine gland which causes goiter is thyroid. So goiter is caused by underaction of the thyroid. Question number 6. The endocrine gland whose malfunctioning causes diabetes disease is first option is pituitary, second is pineal, third option is parathyroid, and D is pancreas. So my dear students, always remember that if pancreas gland is not functioning correctly, or if pancreas gland is malfunctioning, then it causes disease, diabetes. So D is the correct option. Now my dear students, we have question number 7. Which of the following statements are true? First is sudden action in response to something in the environment is called reflex action. So my dear student, this statement is true. So first is true. Second is sensory neurons carry electrical signals from spinal cord to muscles in reflex action. So my dear students, this is incorrect. Because sensory neurons always carry electrical signals from receptors to spinal cord. So please remember this. So this statement is wrong. Third is motor neurons carry electrical signals from receptors to spinal cord in a reflex action. This is also wrong, my dear students. Why? Because motor or neurons carry electrical signals from, always remember, from spinal cord to muscle. So this statement is wrong. Fourth is the pathway of transmitting signals from receptor to a muscle is a reflex action. This is also correct, my dear students. So it means that first and fourth statements are correct. So C is the correct option here. Question number 8. The use of iodized salt is recommended to prevent. First option is diabetes, second is blood pressure, C is dysentery, D is goiter. So always remember, my dear students, that iodized salt is recommended to prevent goiter. So D is the correct option. Question number 9. Which of the following is often called gland of emergency? First option is thyroid, B is pituitary, C is adrenal, and D is pancreas. So my dear students, always remember that adrenal gland is always called the gland of emergency. So C is the correct option. So my dear students, this is all for today. So I think that you have understood all the questions which we have discussed in the video. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.